Alright, so we're back here, and this looks very much like what you'd see on a Raspberry Pi camera, although it's a little bit smaller than that. And everything else looks really neat. These really tiny propellers, and the motors are brushless and very, very, very tiny. Looks super cool. This is the charger, I think. You get 2 batteries that come with the kit. And I'm hoping that it's very easy to bind to other drone remotes, or I will have to send this back and buy a remote of its own. Comes with spare props, screws, and the thing to remove the props, with a little screwdriver as well, and 2 fantastic Happy Model stickers. And hopefully this model will make me just as happy as the previous one that I got. But yeah, there we have it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next one.
Likey.